Hello and welcome to the ASMR how I film my review videos. And all you're going to do is hear my voice, and you're going to also hear the machine and hear us talking in the video just a little bit because she's relaxing, going to sleep. And this is pretty much how I set up my videos for reviewing products or equipment, machines, anybody who wants to showcase their business or their hair, nail salon, yoga studio, massage clinic, personal trainer studio, all that good stuff with a license or non-license. So if you are one of those type of businesses and you're just starting out, this is how I put everything together. And this is pretty much a review for the Dermalux hydrofacial machine with oxygen infusion. And right here, all I'm doing is I'm wearing gloves for universal precautions. Yes, we are being safe while the craziness is still out there, the virus, monkeypox, war, all this other crazy nonsense that we may have floating around in our lives, which is crazy. So I'm wearing my gloves because I'm using a diamond tip microdermabrasion extraction tool on her nose and face. And you don't want any type of dead skin cells stuck underneath your nails, or blood, scabs, pus, anything, poison ivy droplets. It's like, hopefully it's not poison ivy in the face. That'd be horrible. If it's a clear like liquid and there's a bunch of bumps and it doesn't look like it's acne, that may be poison ivy. So be careful. But her skin is gorgeous. She has a few breakouts because, hey, she's in her mastery program, and what she's going for is she has I forget, like psychology or something crazy, to where she even has to go for the PhD right after. So yeah, she's stressing because of schoolwork, which, hell, I'm here to alleviate that. We're here to still keep you beautiful. And after this, you'll see me give her a nice neck and shoulder massage. So to review these videos, all I'm using right now is basically my iPhone. I'm doing a voiceover on my iPhone. There's an app that says voiceover. You just click on it, or voice memo, and you can do your voiceovers. All I'm doing is downloading that voice memo from my phone to my email. Or you can just download it to a USB flash drive, to your computer, whatever you want to do. Dropbox it, all that good stuff. Google Drive it, and then right to your computer, and I'm downloading my voice to the video. And so, yes, that's what I mainly use, is my iPhone. And I'm also doing a voiceover on my iPhone, as well as filming this right now as you're seeing me with my iPhone and my ring light. The ring light is awesome. I love my ring light. It's not overshadowing. It's not too bright. There are some ring lights that cast a shadow over certain people's skin type. Sometimes it's too bright and it shows a glare. So you just have to make sure you're buying the correct ring light, and don't buy anything cheap if you don't have to. If you're just starting out, yes, go for the cheaper ones, and then you'll upgrade once you get clients, customers, money coming in. Because some of these ring lights can go from $100 to $180. I've seen ring lights at $300, but they do different things. They color change. Those for like maybe photographers, other people who have, aesthetic pleasing type of photos and art, AI. Then yeah, you want to go for the higher ones, the high end. So for me, it's just basically two modes. It's a dim light and a strong bright light, LED light. And that's what I'm using. So my phone, a ring light, I do a voiceover, and I have a client or model, either a coworker or somebody I've known for several years, like her in the video. We go back from, maybe 2010. So it's 2013, 2023 right now. So you're talking about like 12, 13 years that we've known each other. And so yeah, that's who I trust to be in my apartment or establishment to even do these videos. So you want to pick somebody who you know isn't crazy, who isn't hood all the time. It's okay to be ghetto a little bit, but not all the time. Like, come on. That could bring your video down. People snapping their neck, popping their eyeballs, and switching their hips. Well, I don't mind hip switching.
On my nose.
Right, female. But so in the video, look, I have a massage table she's laying on. I have a towel underneath her head.
Yeah.
My products are to the right side, and that is it. And a little small trash can underneath my table. I don't do anything fancy. I don't hire anybody to do my videos. I wish I could hire somebody to do them, but that will come in time. I plan to do that and just, oh man, I just want to direct. I don't want to film anything. I don't have a storyboard, a storyline. I don't write anything down. You don't see me memorizing anything in my videos. It's all off the dome, off the top of my head. I am good. Don't get me wrong, I don't need a script. I can just do it because I know what I'm doing. I know exactly what I'm doing. So, other than that, this product review, oh, yep, there we go. So see, I'm showing how close you can get with the GoPro camera. This is my GoPro Session 5. It's an older camera. It's like one of the very first GoPro cameras that they came out with, or maybe the second or third iteration or version. But I love it. I've had this camera for definitely over 8 years, like easily. Well, yeah, take that back. About 7 years, I should say. Yeah, it's been a while since I've had that GoPro camera. At least 7 years, yeah. So I love it. It's waterproof. You can go underwater with it. It's awesome. But there's far superior GoPro cameras out there in other models, mixed models. It doesn't have to be GoPro. They zoom in, they shoot in 2K, 4K, and even 8K nowadays. It's ridiculous. Your iPhone, if you have an iPhone 13, 14, you're shooting close to 6K, if not 8K. I don't know if it's that high, but it's up there. My phone that I have, an iPhone 12 Max Pro or Pro Max, and it shoots at 2K. And I love it. There's no difference. Yes, the higher quality, that's great, because in the future, yes, we will have 4K, 6K, 8K, 10K TVs. That's going to be so magnificent and glorious. You can see every detail. It's going to be amazing. So yes, I'm using the camera right here. And if you watch the other video that actually shows how close up on the face it is, you would see like, wow, I didn't know it could get that close on the face. Yes, it shows the spray coming out, and it gets that detail so you can really show your clients or whoever you're doing the model or the video for, and show them how glorious that camera can be, and that you know your stuff, and they're gonna hire you for the next gig or sponsorship. And what this is basically a sponsored video. They hired me to do their video for their Dermalux hydrofacial machine, and we're good to go. So from here, all I do is massage and see, oh, got the camera in my mouth. Now I did have a little stick that had Velcro on it attached to it, so I can just chew down on the stick, and then I didn't have to put the camera in my mouth. It was just the camera was attached to the stick was in my mouth, and I could close my mouth better. But there was a little incident where the camera rolled off. I have no idea how it even happened, but the camera hit the person in the eye, and thank God it was a male client, because any female client, oh man, I know it would have been hell to pay. But it even hit him in his like corner of his nose and skull area in between the eye. It still caused a little red mark. Even though it's only from a certain height, it can cause damage. What if I was standing over him and it falls in the eye? That's going to be a problem. So that's why I keep it in my mouth. It's rubber. I wipe it after every time. I don't apply my hands to the client's face. No, it just stays in my mouth. I can breathe. You don't hear me like, you know what I mean? You don't hear any of that, because yeah, I'm actually editing the video later on. So yes, I keep it in my mouth so you guys can see a point of view type of view, basically. So you get a bird's eye view of what I'm doing. And that's basically all I do for my review videos, how I set up. It is easy. That is it.